This is chapter end exercise from chapter number 5. So you will get all the videos, all the remaining videos from this chapter in the maths playlist for class 7. So first of all, you need to watch all the videos from this chapter. Then you will start to watch this video and you will complete this chapter and exercise. In this video, I am just solving the questions from section A. Don't need to solve the questions from section B because you have solved much questions from the previous assignment. First questions are MCQ type question. If 2A equal to 3B and 4B equal to 5C, then you have to find A is to C. So 2A equal to 3B, 4B equal to 5C. 2A. So 3 into B. So if you will shift this B from right to left, B ke amra jodi right theke left shift kori, so this value will be divided. 3. Now you have to shift this 2 from left to right. Ebar amra 2 ke left theke right e shift korbo. 2 ekhane multiply ache. In the right side this will be divided. So A is to B is 3 is to 2. Similarly, B by C will be 5 by 4. C এখানে multiply ছিল, so আমরা যদি right side shift করে C divided হবে. 4 এখানে multiply ছিল, so আমরা যদি এখানে right side shift করে, so this will be divided. So A is to C, that means A by C. A by C কে আমরা এইভাবে লিখতেই পারি A by B into B by C, because B এখান থেকে কি যেহেতু আমাদের ক্যান্সেল করে দিতে পারি, so A by C কে আমরা একটু সাজিয়ে লিখছি A by B into B by C. So the value of A by B is 3 by 2 and the value of B by C is 5 by 4. So nothing can be cancelled. So this will be 15 by 8. So A is to C is 15 is to 8. This is very important question. 15 is to 8. Next. X is to 5 equal to 24 is to 40. You have to find the value of X. You have to find the value of X. So I hope X is to X by 5 equal to 24 by 4, 24 by 40 by cross multiplication. By doing the cross multiplication and shifting the value from left to right or right to left, you can find the value of X. This type of question you have solved in the previous exercises, previous assignments. So I hope all of you can solve this. And question number 3, this is unitary method, and you can solve the maths easily in unitary method. So I hope all of you can do this. Next, question number 4, the least number must be added to each term of the ratio to make the ratio of ratio 2 is to 3. So the terms of the ratio are 7 and 13. So you have to add a number to make the ratio 2 is to 3. Let X must be added. So here I will add X with both the terms of this ratio, that is 7 plus X by 13 plus X. This will be equal to 2 by 3. So now I will perform here the cross multiplication to find the value of X. Cross multiplication, that means you need to multiply 7 plus X with 3 and you need to multiply 13 plus X with 2. 3 multiplied by 7 plus X, that is 3 7s are 21. 3 multiplied by X gives 3X. 2 13s are 26. 2 multiplied by X gives 2X. So now you have to shift the value which is related to X. X এর সাথে যে ভ্যালুগুলো আছে আমরা শিফট করব. 2x টা রাইট থেকে লেফটে শিফট হবে, সো দিস উইল বি মাইনাস 26. এবার 21 কে আমরা লেফট থেকে রাইটে শিফট করাবো, সো দিস উইল বি মাইনাস 3x minus 2x, that is x. 26 minus 21, that is 5. So what must be added? 5 must be added. Next, what percent of one day is 30 minutes? 36 minutes. What percent of one day is 36 minutes? So first of all, you have to convert this into minutes. One day means 24 hours, and for converting the hours into minute, you have to multiply by 60. So 1 into 24 into 60. And let the required percentage be here X. So in the question it is given that what percent of one day is 36 minutes. So you have to write a equation. What percent? So here the required percent be x, so that is x percent of 24 into 60. This is the minute convert of 1 day. So x percent of this equal to 36. You have to find the value of x. So percent, first of all we have to remove this percent sign. So that is you have to divide by 100. For of we will write here multiply 24 into 60, that is 36. So the value of x will be 36. 100 is divided here. So you need to multiply this, and 24 into 60, this is multiplication. So if you shift this value from right to left, this will be divide. 0 can be cancelled. 6 6 are 36, 6 4 are 24, 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10. So 5 by 20, that is 2 point. The answer is in 2.5. So the answer will be 2.5. So the answer will be 2.5%. Next, question number 6. On increasing the salary of a man by 25%, it becomes this much. What was this in original salary? So here increased salary is 32,000 and you have to find the original salary. Let the original salary is x and the salary will be increased by how much? Salary will be increased. কতটা salary increase করবে? বলেছে 25% of original salary, that is 25% of x. 25 by 100 into x. 5 5s are 25, 5 20s are 100, 5 4s are 20. So the salary will be increased by x by 4. So increased salary will be বেড়ে গিয়ে যে স্যালারিটা হবে, that is x plus x by 4, that is 4x plus x, 5x by 4. Here the increased salary is 5x by 4, but in the question the increased salary is 32,000. So 5x by 4, this will be equal to 32,000. So you have to find the value of x. 32,000 into 4 by 5. 25,600. This will be the increased salary. 25,600. Next, question number 7. On selling a bag for 200 rupees, a man gains 40 rupees. His gain percent is how much? So selling price is 200 rupees, gain is 40 rupees. Cost price, here the selling price is given, gain is given. You have to find the gain percent. You know that for finding the gain percent, you need to find the cost price. So what will be the cost price? In the case of gain, cost price is less than selling price. So for finding the selling price, you have to subtract gain from selling price. 200 minus 40, that is 160 rupees. So the gain percent will be gain by CP into 100%. Gain is 40, CP is 160 and 0 can be cancelled. 4 4s are 16, 4 25s are 100. So the gain percent will be 25%. Next, question number 8. On selling a book for 48 rupees, a shopkeeper loses this much rupees. In order to gain 20%, what would be the selling price? Here, for losing 20%, the selling price is given, but for gaining 20%, you have to find the selling price. So first of all, you have to find the cost price. Selling price is 48 rupees, loss percent is 20%. So CP is 100 by 100 minus loss percent, that is 20, into selling price, that is 48. 100 by 80 into 48. 0 can be cancelled. 6 8s are 48. So 6 10s are 60. This is the CP. So to gain 20%, so CP is 60 rupees. To gain 20%, what will be the SP? SP is 100 plus gain percent, that is 20, by CP into by 100 into CP, that is 60. 120 by 100 into 60, 0 can be cancelled, so this will be 72 rupees. So this will be the answer, 72 rupees. Next, question number 9. I hope all of you can solve this by yourself. Question number 10. At what rate % per annum simple interest will a sum be double of itself in 8 years? This is very important question. The sum will be double. That is, the principal is how much? The amount will be the double of principal. Amount ta ki hobe? Principal er double ho jabe. So at what rate of %? You have to find the rate of %. And the time is in 8 years. Principal is P. Amount will be 2P, because the amount will be the double of principal. Double of itself. That is double of principal. That is 2P. Interest will be amount minus principal. That is P. 2P minus P. That is P. Rate of interest. You have to find this, and time is 8 years. So the rate of interest will be 100I. That is 100 into P by... The formula is 100I by PT. So the value of I is P, principal is P, time is 8. 4 2 is 8, 4 25 is 100. 25 by 2, that will be 12 whole 1 by 2%. 12 whole 1 by 2%. This will be the answer. Next, true and false. The first and last terms in a proportion are called extreme. This is true. The ratio of girls to boys in a class, 30 students having 12 boys, 2:5. Ratio of girls to boys. Here boys 12 and girls will be 30 minus 12. Number of girls will be if you will subtract the number of boys from the total number of students, you will get the girls. So 30 minus 12, that will be 18. 6 3 is 18, 6 2 is 12. So 3:2. So this will be false. The sides of two squares, 4 and 6, the areas. You know that the area of the squares, the formula is, the area of the square is side square. So 4 square is to 6 square. That is 16 is to 36. 16 by 36, 4 4 is 16, 4 9. So 4 is to 9. But in the question it is given that 9 is to 4. So this will be false. Next, because the ratio of the smallest even number and smallest positive prime number is 2:1. Smallest even number is 2 and smallest prime number is 2. So the ratio will be 1:1. So this will be also false. Next, question number 4. 9 is to x. Proportion x is to 4. The mean proportion is 2. Is it correct or false? You have to check this. 9 is to x. Proportion x is to 4. So we can write this as 9 by x equal to x by 4. That is x square equal to 36. So the value 36 means 6 into 6, that is 6 square. So the value of x will be 6. So this is not true. This will be false. Next, question number 9. Ratio can be expressed as a fraction or as a percentage. This will be true. The length and breadth of a stripe are 2 meter and 25 meter respectively. The ratio of breadth to length. The ratio of breadth to length. Breadth is 25 centimeter and length is 2 meter. That is 200 centimeter. So breadth to length. Breadth to 25 and length 200. So this will be 25 by 200. 5 5 is a 25, 40. 5 1 is a 5 8. So the ratio will be 1:8, but it is given 11:8. So this is false. Next, fill in the blanks. So you have to fill the blanks. The ratio of 8 rupees and 80 paise. So first we will convert this into paise. 800 paise. So 800 is to 80. That is, will be 0 can be cancelled. 8 10s are 80. 8 1s are 8. So the answer will be 10:1. Next, if A, B, C are in continued proportion, then the third proportion is C. Third proportion is C. Cost of 12 oranges to C. This is unitary method, so you can solve this by unitary method. Question number 5. In a proportion, the product of means equal to the product of extremes. Product of extremes. 80% of 80. I am not solving this. Loss by CP into 100. Amount is interest plus principal. If an item is sold for this much rupees and profit percent is 10%, you have to find the CP. I have told you the formula of CP. So, using that formula, you have to find the CP. Fractional presentation of this is. So, you have to convert this into fraction. That is, you have to remove the percentage. That is, you have to divide by 100. So, I am not telling you this. You have to solve this by yourself. Next, question number 4. You have to match the column. 3 kg is to 12 kg. 3 kg is to 12 kg. That is 3 is to 12. That is 1 is to 4. This is A. 15 is to 20. Proportion 30 is to x. So you have to find the value of x. 15 by 20 equal to 30 by x. X will be product 15x equal to 20 into 30. So the value of x will be 20 into 30 by 15. 15 2s are 30, 20 2s are 40. So this will be the value. So this is D. Next, this is very easy type of questions. So you have to find the value and you have to match with the correct answer. The answer is given in the column B. So I hope all of you can solve this. So I have solved some questions from section A and I have left also few questions from this section. So you have to solve that question by yourself. And if you cannot solve any questions from this section A from chapter and exercise from chapter number 5, you will ask me.